In a moment of immense pride for Tripura, the Government of India has conferred the prestigious Padma Shri Award upon veteran literature and travel intellectual Naresh Chandra Debbarma. The honour, announced on the eve of the 77th Republic Day, recognizes his distinguished services in the field of literature and education, specifically for his lifelong commitment to the preservation and promotion of the Koborok language. The 82-year-old octogenarian has been a central figure in Tripura's literary landscape since the 1970s. Hailing from a marginal farming family in Kunjavan, Agartala, his journey from humble beginnings to becoming a Padma Shri recipient is a testament to his dedication. He has authored over 34 books in Koborok, significantly enriching the written corpus of the indigenous language. He currently serves as a member of the advisory committee for the primary level Koborok syllabus and is the vice chairman of the body overseeing Koborok spelling and methodology. Before his retirement in 2002, he served as a senior official in the Tripura Legislative Assembly, retiring as an officer on special duty joint secretary level. Taking to media, Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha expressed his profound gratitude to Prime Minister Narendra Modi for recognizing Tripura's unsung hero. Notable, the state government had already recognized his excellence by honoring him with the Tripura Bhushan Award in 2024.
मुझे मालूम है, देखिए बार बार माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी जब 2014 में आया है और हमारा सरकार जब यहाँ पर बने हैं 2018 में, उसके बाद 19 से आप देखिए 2024 तक माने 7 जो अपना अपना जनजाति जो जिस जगह में अपना अपना नाम किया है और इनको पद्मश्री दी है। पहले ऐसा कभी हुआ नहीं है, तो फिर इस बार भी इतना ज्ञानी व्यक्ति को हम लोग भी दिए थे पहले त्रिपुरा की तरफ से, इनको भी दिया है और मैं माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को धन्यवाद देता हूं। इस तरह त्रिपुरा को जनजाति को आप जो जिसका हक है वो हक दे रहे हो आप। तो मैं जो अभी देबबर्मा साहब का जो है एनसी देबबर्मा नरेंद्र चंद्र देबबर्मा नरेश चंद्र देबबर्मा जी को मैं बधाई देना चाहता हूं और हमारे लिए एक गौरव की।
The formal investiture ceremony is scheduled to take place later this year at Rashtrapati Bhavan, where he will receive the award from the President of India. Bureau Report, Chini Khurang.